Can't connect right now on YouTube for Fire TV. If YouTube on your Fire TV shows the can't connect right now error, it's likely related to network issues, app settings, or software updates. Here are some quick steps to resolve the issue. 1. Check your internet connection. Test other apps. Open another app like Netflix or Prime Video to confirm your Fire TV is connected to the internet. Restart your router. Unplug your router, wait 10 seconds, and plug it back in. Verify connection. Go to Settings Network on your Fire TV and confirm the Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection is active. 2. Restart your Fire TV. Soft restart. Press and hold the select and play pause buttons on your remote simultaneously for 5 seconds to restart your Fire TV. Power cycle. Unplug the Fire TV from the power outlet, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. 3. Clear YouTube app cache and data. Step 1. Go to Settings Applications, Manage Installed Applications YouTube. Step 2. Select Clear Cache and try reopening the app. Step 3. If needed, select Clear Data to reset the app. You may need to log in again. 4. Update the YouTube app. Step 1. Navigate to the App Store on your Fire TV. Step 2. Search for YouTube and check if an update is available. Step 3. If an update is available, install it and relaunch the app. 5. Update your Fire TV software. Step 1. Go to Settings. My Fire TV About check for updates. Step 2. Install any available updates and restart your Fire TV. 6. Reinstall the YouTube app. Step 1. Go to Settings Applications, Manage Installed Applications YouTube. Step 2. Select Uninstall. Step 3. Reinstall the app from the App Store.